In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening balance in Zoho Books. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct organization before making any changes. This is important because opening balances affect your books from the very beginning of your accounting records in the system. After that, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This will open the area where you can manage important bookkeeping and account configuration options. Inside Settings, look for the Setup and Configuration section, and then click Opening Balances. This is the section where Zoho Books allows you to enter the balances you already had before you began managing your accounts in the platform. If you're moving from another accounting system, this helps keep your records accurate and complete. Next, enter or verify the migration date. This date tells Zoho Books when your existing financial data is being brought into the system. It's a key detail because your opening balances should reflect the amounts as of that date. If the migration date is incorrect, your reports may not line up properly later, so take a moment to confirm it carefully. Once that's set, choose the account category where you want to enter opening balances. Depending on your needs, this could include accounts receivable, accounts payable, asset, expense, bank, liability, or equity. Selecting the correct category helps you organize balances properly and makes the setup process easier to manage. Then, click the arrow beside the category to expand it and view the individual accounts inside. This lets you move from the category level down to the exact accounts where balances need to be entered. Now, enter the opening balance amount for each applicable account. Be careful here and match the figures to your prior records so your starting balances are accurate. Even a small error at this stage can affect future reporting, reconciliation, and financial statements. If you already have your balances prepared in a file, you can click Import to upload them instead of entering everything manually. This optional method can save time, especially if you're working with a large number of accounts. After entering the amounts, review all balances carefully. Double-check that each figure appears under the correct account and that the totals match your source records. This review step is worth taking seriously because it helps prevent cleanup work later. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Then complete the process and save your opening balances. That's it. Your opening balances are now added in Zoho Books, helping ensure your accounting starts with the right financial position. Thanks for watching.